Well, hello again everyone, and isn't it great that now the clocks have gone forward, that we can get some nice light evenings and progress some of these jobs a bit more. First things first, let's see if this glue has dried. Yeah, that's dried lovely, that has. Right, so now what I need to do is to mark this up. I'll go and get my measuring tape. I just need to mark up and shape the ends so that that will go in there nice and flush. Yeah, it's gonna have to sort of jiggle around a little bit, isn't it? We'll work it out one way or the other. Right, now I just need to go and cut those out. I'll probably do that maybe with the jigsaw. Right, well I've just glued some little battens on the end there just to stop the shelf sort of sagging a little bit in the middle if it's inclined to that, if we put something heavy on it. Right, well now I think I can take these two bits off, give them another quick little sand and see if I can find something just to varnish them with. Maybe some nice clear matte varnish. I think I might have something in the garage. And of course it's been designed to be quickly removed. There's just 2 screws on that bottom box and 2 screws on that panel. Well, it's got dark now, so got a good hour and a bit work out of the extra daylight. But now I've got to wait for that varnish to dry, so I'm going to pack away and we'll carry on with this another evening. Well, it's a few days later. I never got back to this for the last few days. I was busy with work and stuff. But now I've got some time to crack on a bit. Well, I'm not happy with the amount of air that's still in that diesel pipe, which you can just about see maybe at the back there. And yeah, I want to try and bleed that out if I can. So first thing I do is to empty the gas locker again. Right, my plan for this is to undo that hose clip, pop that hose off. I've got another section of hose here with one of these brake hose clamps on to quickly put on the tank outlet to stop it all draining out into my gas locker. And then I've got a syringe here which I can use to top up that pipe full of diesel and then quickly swap it back over again. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, as Mr. Safety Owl says, always wear protective gloves where you might spill fuel and stuff on your hands. That was a bit of an oversight. Well, that looks better. Let's get all the stuff back in the locker again. Right, and now it's going to be a matter of connecting everything back up again, putting these boxing in bits on, and securing the air duct with the larger Jubilee clips. Right, now I've just got to tuck this carpet back into the carpet edging strip. Let's reconnect the leisure battery. Right, we have power to the little control panel. Let's see if we can turn her on. Well, the fan's going. Is anything happening under here? Not a great deal, if I'm honest, just a lot of whirring. Oh, well, back inside, the whirring has stopped. And nothing is happening. I wonder if we need to prime it again. Try again, turn it off. Right, that's turned off, I think, unless it's going to start again. Ah, start again. You bugger. This thing really is a mystery, isn't it? Right, let's... Right, folks, we have an obvious issue here. I thought the off button didn't feel right. This nylon washer is pressing permanently on the off button. So let's take that washer off. That's not going to help, is it? What an idiot. Right, let's just try turning her on again. Right, we have whirry noises. Cold air is being blown out of here. We have smoke coming out of the exhaust. That's got to be a good sign, hasn't it? And a bit of a roary sound. Oh, blowing smoke rings. Splendid. Blimey. Well, that is steadily calming down. I guess maybe that got a bit too much priming action again. Well, back inside, we do have nice warm air coming out of the vent here. I'm going to crank her up, see if we can burn off that diesel. Haha, that is warming up splendidly now. Much less smoky out here too. Now let's run on full pelt for a while. I'll turn it down a little bit. Quite a lot. Right, I think we do still have a slight wiring issue though. You can see now the control panel has switched to the leisure battery and the power light's on. I can run various things, lights, pump, that sort of thing. Turn the heater on though. It very quickly sucks everything out of the battery and the low battery light comes on. Turn that Zig unit off and the heater continues running, of course, because it's fed directly. So that's now running. If I turn the Zig unit back on, it's still got low battery warning. Can I run the pump? Yeah, stuff does kind of run. Well, our leisure battery is pretty small and probably is pretty tired. It's at least 4 or 5 years old now, so Yeah, George did suggest having a look at it, see if I could top it up with deionised water, so I might have a look at that. Or I might just see if I can order a bigger leisure battery, but I may need to look at that wiring again and run a feed straight to this diesel heater without tapping off like I did below the van there. But it is working, and of course you can use the vehicle battery to run the pump and the lights in the van. You have to be careful though if you're wild camping not to flatten the battery. We don't use much wild camping, we usually do have an electric hookup, so I think we'd be okay, but I do need probably to make this a little bit better. Actually though, once it's up to temperature and running, the light goes back to green and you can then run all your other bits and pieces. So there we go. I'm reasonably happy with that as a sort of interim completion, I think we'll call it. I think there will still be little bits and pieces to round up on this, but at the moment I think I'm calling that reasonably successful. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.